Quinn's?
You.
That's me?
Yeah.
Get that for Quinn.
Dado, you helping with laundry?
Whose is this? Whose is this?
Yes.
That's Mama's?
This is Dad.
That's Dad's?
That's pink.
Let's see, whose is this? Whose is that?
Quinn.
What?
This is mine.
You see something that's yours? Whose are these? Those are Kian's? Yeah, you're right. Those are Kian's. There's lots of stuff in here. Whose are these? You know? Whose are they? Who wears these? This is Dad's jammies? Okay.
This is mine.
That's yours? What is that?
Dado, go help with laundry.
What is this?
Okay.
Is that your dinner shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you wear at dinner? Is your other shirt clean? Okay, what else? What are these? What is this?
This is Mom.
Those are Mom's. Quinn, your pants make a lot of noise. Okay. Whose are these? Whose are these?
Mama.
Mama?
My horse. It's my horse.
Okay. What about this shirt? Who does this belong to?
Dad.
That's Dad.
Jimmy.
That's Dad's jammies too?
Quinn. Come on, Dado, go help with laundry.
Let's see what else we've got in here. Uh-oh, what's this? Whose is this?
Mom, Jimmy.
Whose is this?
Yes,
That's Dad's. Okay. What about this?
Kian.
Whose is this?
Kian. Hot. Hot.
What is this? Mary Kate?